Biology chapter 12 video 9 theory hydrogen carrier molecules. So this part is not very important for your examination, but it would be easy for you to understand how other things work when you have a good idea about this. But still, please go through this very carefully, because there are some things that would be repeated in other stages. So that is going to be important. So we have learnt about so far we have learned about two hydrogen carrier molecules, FAD and NAD. So they accept hydrogen and become reduced. So now NAD, we have to learn about the structure of NAD. NAD is made of two linked nucleotides. There are two linked nucleotides, and both of these nucleotides contain ribose. One of them contain nitrogenous base adenine. The other one has nicotinamide ring. So this nicotinamide ring can accept hydrogen ion and 2 electrons and become reduced. It can become reduced. So these two equations you have to note. Then a different form of this NAD has a phosphate group instead of the hydrogen on first carbon of the ribose ring. This is called NADP, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, and this is what acts as the hydrogen carrier in photosynthesis. Then FAD, flavin adenine dinucleotide, is similar in function to NAD and is used in Krebs cycle. FAD is made up of one nucleotide containing ribose and adenine, and one with an unusual structure involving a linear molecule, ribitol, instead of ribose. Now, if you look at this NAD structure here, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, and they have said you do not need to learn the structure of this molecule, but may like to compare it with the units that make up DNA and RNA. So you can see here the different structures. Now you have the adenine group here, then the ribose structures, then here replaced by phosphate group in NADP, that is this hydrogen will replace this hydrogen will be replaced by a phosphate group in NADP. Then this is the point where the first carbon, that is the point where electrons are accepted. Right? So those things, it will be easier for you to understand the contents of it when you have a clear idea. Now this is not a part which is quite important, so I'm not going to give you a note out of this part. I want you to write your own note, write a kind of a sketch. Don't write the entire thing. Just concentrate on the structure of NAD and how NADP are produced. Right? So write a note on your own. It would help you to write the answers at the examination. When you have too much of information, you should be able to summarize it into answers. So this might help you. If you do need a note, please raise questions. Then I will create another video to give you the note out of this. Then after you have done it, please do question number 12.3.